Welcome, everyone, to English Expressions Extravaganza, the ultimate quiz show where language learning meets fun. I'm your host, Emily, and today we have two fantastic contestants ready to challenge their language skills. Let's meet them. Dear contestants, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm excited to be here and learn some new English phrases.
Hey, I'm Mike, and I can't wait to show off my English prowess today.
Awesome! Let's dive right into the game. You both know the rules. I'll give you a definition, and you need to guess the correct English phrase. Are you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Absolutely. Let's do this.
Fantastic! Here comes your first definition. A phrase we use when we want someone to wait a moment. Sarah, your answer, please.
Oh, right. Hold on.
That's correct, Sarah. Hold on is used when you want someone to wait for a short while. Now let's hear an example sentence. Imagine you're on the phone and need to find a pen. You could say, "Could you hold on for a second? I'll be right back with that pen." Now, Mike, get ready for your question.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future.
This phrase means to understand a difficult concept or idea. Mike, your answer.
Oh, I got this one. Get the hang of it.
Bingo, Mike! Get the hang of it means to understand something after a bit of practice. Let's see it in a sentence. Learning to play a musical instrument might be tough at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it and play beautifully. Great job, both of you. Now let's move on to our third question. This phrase is used to suggest doing something together in the future. Sarah, it's your turn.
Got it. How about we hang out sometime?
Correct, Sarah. How about we hang out sometime is a friendly way to propose spending time together. Listen to this example. After a busy week, you might say to a friend, "Hey, we should hang out sometime and catch up." Mike, are you ready for your next challenge? This phrase means to explain something in more detail. Mike, your answer.
I know this one. Break it down for me.
You're absolutely right, Mike. Break it down for me is used when you want someone to explain something step by step. Here's an example. If you don't understand a complex math problem, you can ask your teacher to break it down for you so you can solve it better. Fantastic job, contestants! We're almost at the finish line. Sarah, here's your final question. This phrase is used when you're not sure about something but want to give it a try. Sarah, let's hear your answer.
I think it's give it a shot.
You've got it, Sarah. Give it a shot means to try something even if you're uncertain. Listen to this example. If you've never tasted sushi before, you might say, I've never had sushi, but I'll give it a shot tonight. Now let's move on to our last question. This phrase is used to express surprise or amazement. Mike, it's your turn.
Oh, I know this one. No way.
You're absolutely right, Mike. No way is used to show disbelief or astonishment. Let's see it in an example. If someone tells you they won the lottery, you might exclaim, Wow, no way! That's incredible! That wraps up our quiz, and you both did an amazing job. Let's give a round of applause to Sarah and Mike for their language prowess. To all our viewers out there, thanks for joining us on English Expressions Extravaganza. Remember, learning can be fun, and trying new phrases is just a shot away. See you next time!